We are alarmed as the ZANU-PF succession issues slowly but surely degenerate from a partisan issue into a national crisis. Sana vina mashoko vanhu vauda panapa tinyanyatsotaura mashoko achiti is Mnangagwa complicit with the manipulation of the constitution for his political expediency. Panapa mashoko ari kuda kutaurwa panapa nevakomana maveteran vachiona kuti nhau dzesuccession zvadziri kuonekwa kuti panguva ino dziri kutoramba dzichitowedzera dzichitotear off the country. Nongo subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina panapa mnangobuda wamzizi. For the record, we have no interest whatsoever in the succession battles engulfing ZANU-PF, nor are we siding with any of its factions, but we have unfettered and genuine interest in the well-being of Mother Zimbabwe, as we believe it is enough time to all patriotic Zimbabweans to speak out. The fact that Mr. Mnangagwa said he will respect the constitution of Zimbabwe does not mean that he cannot extend his term of office, but that he can use his rented crowd to amend the constitution so that it is amenable to his extension. Suffice to say, a chameleon is only sincere to changing colors than in keeping one. He seems complicit with the constitutional amendment for his political expediency. If he was sincerely anti-2030, he should have advised his loyalists of the unconstitutionality of extending his term in violation of the Section 91(2) of the Constitution of Zimbabwe, Act 2013. In sincere, ED arrogantly labeled anti-2030 activists as hypocrites, disseminating unfortunate and misplaced narratives. The 58th first session of ZANU-PF First Politburo in Harare on the 5th of March 2025. A supposedly sincere and principled leader should have seized the golden opportunity to heal the rift, state his position, demystify myths, and silence his 2030 for ED megaphones. Thomas Waruda panapa tikona kuti ava macritics akachata kamukamiro nyika pamusoro ava the 2030 agenda, especially ma veterans vachigwinya kuzvedu panguva ino tisina side atiri kutora, but now we are fighting for our own mother land Zimbabwe, vachiti ndo yatakurira. Anoda kuti kuona kuti aiwa each and every day these fights ari kukonzeresa kuti nyika yeZimbabwe iparare. Tudze mafungiro enyu motikudipa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pina comment section medu mafungiro enyu, so subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.